Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Today we are diving into something super important for all of you who love shopping online. How to activate 3D Secure for your Mastercard. What is 3D Secure? Well, it is like a security guard for your online transactions. You might have heard of it under name like Mastercard Secure Code or Verified by Visa. It's a service designed to protect your card from unauthorized use. When you are buying something online, 3D Secure adds an extra layer of security by verifying your identity before the purchase is complete. Pretty cool, right? Now, why is this important? Imagine you are buying a new gadget or a pair of shoes online. You don't want anyone else to use your card without your permission. 3D Secure helps prevent that, giving you peace of mind while shopping. Here is the step-by-step guide to activate 3D Secure. Let's jump into the steps on how to activate 3D Secure for your Mastercard. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Step 1. Contact your bank. First, you will need to reach out to your bank or card provider. This could be through their website, mobile app, or customer service hotline. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once you are on their platform, look for options related to card security or online transaction. This is usually where you will find the 3D secure option. In step 3, register your card. You will need to register your card by entering details like your card number, expiry date, and something additional personal information for verification. Step 4. Set up a password or code. To complete the setup, you will either create a unique password or use a code sent to your phone or email. This is what you will use to verify your identity during transactions. Common issues and troubleshooting. Now, what if you hit a snag? No worries, here are some common issues and how to fix them. If you can find the 3D secure option, make sure your bank actually offers it. Didn't get the verification code? Double check that your contact details are correct and up to date. If your card is declined, confirm that it's activated and has sufficient funds. And there you have it. Activating 3D Secure on your Mastercard is a simple yet essential step to securing your online purchases. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks. Got questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comment below. Until next time, happy and safe shopping.